Bullish Chia cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $142.22 and $309.72 by 2030. Market experts accept XCH could reach $142.22 by 2025. Bearish Chia market cost expectation for 2022 is $25.28. Chia presentation. Chia organization is a Layer 1 blockchain that utilizes its specially crafted programming language, Chia, and an original agreement component known as verification of reality. This blend permits the blockchain to utilize less energy while keeping up with network security. Not at all like most blockchains, Chia organization is a public, for benefit, open source organization that tries to be recorded on the NYSE or NASDAQ. Since its blockchain is expected for big business use, Chia organization needs to keep XCH on its monetary record in case of a posting. With the expanded ubiquity of the Chia organization, crypto brokers are contemplating whether it merits putting resources into the XCH coin. This digital money guide will reveal all that you want about the Chia organization and its elements. By the by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Chia network cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is Chia organization? Chia is a Layer 1 blockchain with exceptional elements that put it aside from others, Chia and Post. Chia is a programming language that, when joined with Post, the agreement component is known as verification of existence, which permits the Chia stage to consume less energy while keeping up with security. Post has further developed network versatility by using less assets. Moreover, Chia has worked on the most common way of making and creating dApps on the stage. The shared installment framework in view of this convention has killed market failures by using a decentralized methodology. How does Chia Range work? Chia organization capabilities on its blockchain with the assistance of its novel highlights. Chia and Post. Chia planned this agreement instrument for their organization with the consolidated highlights of proof of stake and proof of work. It establishes the groundwork for the blockchain to work. Verification of room. Chia clients save their hard drives for unused capacity to accomplish smooth mining under this component. Excavators are expected to introduce programming that makes free space. The free space is used in settling difficulties. The product introduced permits excavators to gather cryptographic numbers. Each number is taken with the formation of a solitary block. Evidence of time. The hubs that carry out the role of recording time are known as time lords. The irrefutable defer capability characterizes the way of these hubs. Evidence of time utilizes this capability to exhibit and archive time to perform verification of room capabilities. Chia is the by-and-by made language by Chia organization. This savvy contract language chips away at the CVM and is utilized by the Chia stage to figure out the twofold spending issue. To carry out this role, it tracks the condition of the blockchain, guaranteeing security during exchanges. Chia organization coin outline. Chia's ticker image is XCH, and the stage gives its clients shaded coins that empower brilliant exchanges on the Chia blockchain. Shaded coins separate themselves by permitting monetary organizations and state-run administrations to give on-chain resources. The XCH Brilliant coins have furnished designers with a few capacities, including multi-signature, nuclear trades, paper and computerized ID wallets, withdrawal escrow and rate cutoff points, and hued coins. Clients can partake and finish exchanges utilizing the XCH token. Clients can get to the Chia convention's elements assuming they own XCH coins. Coinbase doesn't right now uphold Chia. Notwithstanding, Huobi, Gate.io, Uniswap, KuCoins, and OKEX acknowledge XCH coins. Chia current cost. Chia is at present worth $31.60 USD. XCH has moved 0.24% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,544,671. Chia is at present positioned 129 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $186,040,821 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Chia to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Chia market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Chia Value Forecast 2022. Chia, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The XCH cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $47.41. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $44.25 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. XCH is supposed to have a base worth of $37.93. Chia Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Chia XCH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of XCH will before long outperform $79.01. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the XCH's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, XCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $63.21 and a typical exchanging cost of $69.53. Chia Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $110.62 and XCH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. XCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $101.13 and a low of $94.81 in 2024. Chia Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Chia effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the XCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XCH will be green in 2025. The XCH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $142.22, with a base cost of $126.42 and a typical cost of $132.74. Chia Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the XCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $164.34 by 2026, with a base cost of $158.02 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XCH has a greatest value worth of $173.82. Chia Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $195.95. On the off chance that XCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $205.43. Neglecting to assemble the help XCH needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $189.63. Chia Value Expectation 2028. While XCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $221.23 and a yearly cost close above $237.03 in 2028. Chia Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Chia will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $252.84 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $268.64, averaging out at $259.16. Chia Value Expectation 2030.